Hey, Snap Flash fam! In Botswana, the fight over the future of DDT College of Medicine is dragging on yet again. Today's much-anticipated High Court hearing ended with yet another delay, and frustrated students are calling it outright sabotage. Let's break it down. How long can future doctors and pharmacists be left in limbo? Students say every delay isn't just a legal technicality, it's destroying their futures. Stay tuned for the twists, the tension, and the high-stakes fallout. Before we unpack the courtroom drama, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a Snap Flash update. Gaborone High Court Justice Barnabas Nyamazabo has postponed the DDT College case to August 21st, extending the court's protective order yet again. This follows a June 30th extension and months of delays, leaving students stuck in uncertainty. Suspended SRC President Gilbert Motlhabi says the legal back and forth feels intentional. He argues the college is dragging its feet while students' futures hang in the balance. Motlhabi and other council members are banned from campus after leading protests against what they call academic deception and degrading conditions. The Botswana Qualifications Authority revoked DDT's accreditation in June, citing failure to meet standards. But the college secured an interim court order letting it operate until the case is resolved. Without it, the institution can't legally award accredited qualifications.
And the court agreed, or no, temporarily, but BQA, DDT, but in the meantime, college, the High Court of Botswana. Then on the 30th of June, when the case was supposed to be heard, the two parties, they agreed to postpone the hearing and the discussion of the case before the court to the 11th of August. Then the 11th of August, they are here again. Instead of now discussing the case before the judge, the college requested an extension. Ya hearing, but that proposed after November the 4th. But which is disingenuous from our perspective as students, because the college came to court bare re kopa gore re tlo go bolela mathata a rona gore ga re dumalane le tshwetso ya BQA a re buele wena o le High Court of Botswana o re thuse, and the High Court agreed e be dumalana le bone e sentse e metse go utlwa matshwenyego a DDT College. But then ba tshwantse gore ba bue ba gana go bua, because kana judge the High Court has already sided with them temporarily for benefit of the doubt. But now they are refusing to argue the case. They were refusing to argue the case, and the judge said, no, because you are not in agreement, BQA and DDT. Go and talk. They went outside, they talked, they came back, there was still no agreement. And Barnabas suggested to move the case to the 25th of August in college. And then BQA said, no, we need this thing yesterday. It needs to be heard yesterday. But because of the congestion of the court cases, the case was moved to the 21st of August, which I think is a win for the college management, not for us as the students, because between now and the 21st of August, before year, complete. The submission of the research project is due the 18th of August. The final exams for this term, but the college keeps on postponing because we suspect they know they don't have a strong case, so they don't want to be exposed by the arguments that they have to present before the court. And we are very, very displeased with the college, very, very displeased, and because the college is currently refusing to communicate with us effectively. They don't want to talk to us. Like as it was evident last week, they kicked us out of the college along with the members of parliament. So tota hela ra ikuela go batsadi gongwe ga ra itlhalosa sentle re le baithuti. Bana ba re bana ba lona, re bana ba Batswana, re tsene primary, ra tsena junior, ra tsena senior, ra pasa hela mo go tswileng diatla ka 40 points and above. Ba na ba 47 points, ba na ba 45 points, baha. And people keep asking, how come ba na ba botlhale jana ba le ko DDT? No, the answer is very simple. Ngwana ha pasitse a le ko Kasane, a le ko Mau, a le ko Cholo. HRDC goes there with BQA and DTF. But we have a college here. We have a list of institutions that are qualified to operate and offer learning programs in the country, and we sponsor them. So when the student hears, no, this is government approved and the government sponsors, we cannot doubt our government. We have to trust them. So students will end up applying. Re lemoga re setse re hilwe the offer letters of sponsorship. Re setse re sign re mo sekolong gore go ha go nna sentle. And when we try to get out of the college, re re siela go dikoleng tse di botoka. Ba gana ka dipampiri tsa rona because you need clearance from the college. And the clearance process go DDT College, it was supposed to be simple. You just go to the registrar and the administration office and they give you the clearance and you go on your way. But no, they have made it so that you have to go to the vice chancellor of the college. Just imagine, for a clearance. And this is a problem because now once they have trapped you and you cannot go anywhere, if you try to get transfer, the government will not sponsor you also completely your first year. So you'll be stuck in that college until you complete. And you know very well udira program e leng gore ka mosotla ro go registerwa o bona le mathata ha ro go bereka ga batho ba batlo go hira. So batsadi go gae re kopa lo tlhaloganyeng sello sa rona re le bana ba DDT College. Re bana ba re tseneng sekolo ra pasa hela mo go tsuleng diatla. Mme ka go tlhoka lesego ra heletsa re tsene go DDT and re eletsa go tswa ka bonnako jo bo kgonagalang. Re kopa lo bueng le ba ileng gore lo ka bua le bone ba re thuse ba re tswe thuso. We have cried to everyone. The Minister of Higher Education, the Honorable Prince Maile, ona re utlwa a tsibogala selo sa rona a instructor BQA gore handlang kgang, and BQA did ba ne ba tswala square. But now the college is using underarm tactics gore ba tswela ba operate. Re kopa thuso. And as per what is going to happen from here onwards, I don't think there's any change. There was an ongoing protest in the college from the 17th of July. And right now, how I change it. So we could expect where the protest will be ongoing. We don't know if it will continue ongoing or not, but we would expect where it will. Maybe it got a lot of to Sabotage. Maybe the Katsaka Tarabulum able to gather no protest. I cannot learn I should read to Mela protest. I write a Mokabuno protest. Retsetsoka go ithuta go boloka matshelo a batho le gone gore re aga matshelo a rona mme ka go tlhoka lesego matshelo a rona a wela ka le mena ka motlhobodika bana ba ba ga ke ba ba rutegileng ba ba maitseo. You'll never see them ba roga ope mo maranyaneng. You'll never see them go to ba utsule sepe. Re kopa thuso. That is where we are. That is where we stand as the students.
Dozens of students who attended the hearing left visibly frustrated, describing themselves as future doctors and pharmacists, left hanging by politics and legal games.
Now what they're doing is not fair because like have I can get about and to even think but like the courts didn't have accreditation and whenever they have result like a school how go fair banabang buy heads and have I heads on put the postponed the day to 21 and whenever I heads this week what is going to happen to them what the day to get 21
Tata, we're disappointed in the sense that we don't know what to do from here. And I say this as a fourth year, my fourth year complete. The lawyer was saying that there's nowhere else we can go if we desire to transfer Barnabas in 2 months. But what does that mean? What are you saying to us as fourth years? What should we do? Where should we go? We don't know what we're looking for. We don't even know what we want, but we're trying to look for answers and we're not getting any. So until the 21st, it's closer than any other date, we agree. But for some of us, we're supposed to now be pushing some submissions by that time so that we complete. Our question is, do we complete? Do we not? What do we do? Where do we look? Like, why in limbo still? Everything is uncertain. You know? Yeah. As a fourth year, I'm supposed to be submitting my research like final things. I'm supposed to then present my research and then write my final examinations. So we don't know whether or not we should hold back on that and exercise our rights to halt, or if we should continue, because we don't know what the verdict is going to be. If the verdict says that DDT is in the right and it should continue, then it means that we put our education at stake. It means we finish completing next year, or possibly next year. So that's where the confusion is for us right now. We want to halt so that we wait and hear. That's our right, yes. But we don't know whether halting would benefit us or not at this point.
Like a serious issue, and it's very, very urgent. But the school where you look at the for by prepare, but how about go judge about the Wakupana what happened when a bay cookies or push a business about Runa future. I read it's also Gaborone quality exam for Nana Mareme. Can we are just there, we are waiting. I do so alone, Sarnayo, say, and Harrishaw. Ramon, this was the only chance I for better delay justice, root or at least the Rahakai. Yes, that's my comment.
But at this point, I think we are depressed because every day we want to change the situation, and then we are here because I get accredited.
Tensions flared further recently when a Parliamentary Education Committee visit was cut short. Management refused to proceed if suspended SRC leaders were present. Meanwhile, students continue protests in Metsimotlhabe, warning that more delays could end careers and damage trust in Botswana's higher education system. One student interviewed recently by Snapflash said even the Parliamentary Committee on Education is toothless, and it offers no action.
Our comrades in the opposition they're very useless. There is this committee, skills and development, Parliament. It is headed by Higuama. He came here, DDT. He told the students what they want to hear, but not actually the solution. So, being quite honest and being very blunt, because the students, they do not know what, okay, tomorrow what's going to happen. To investigate you, and the people in DDT, they're always self-correcting, but time is going, time is moving. Another students who have to graduate, and they'll be forced to graduate in the next week. Because when the schools are accredited and all, so communities in the opposition, the oversight, they give oversight and all, but that is not really the case. So because look at the masses, they have to disperse without any help. So
do you think these delays are legitimate legal process or a tactic to wear down the students? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this report important, give us a like and subscribe for more on Botswana's education battles. Your engagement keeps Snapflash shining a light where it matters most. With the next court date set for next Thursday, all eyes are on whether this battle finally ends, or if we're in for yet another round in this drawn-out, high-stakes fight for the future of Botswana's medical students.